Hello, I'm Anna.
And I am Noah.
On behalf of Valencia citizens, we want to raise awareness around the world about the struggles faced by our city after this tragedy.
In October, Valencia faced one of its darkest hours when Dana, weather phenomenon of extreme rain and flash flooding, unleashed catastrophic floods across the region. However, this Dana has been considered as one of the most devastating of the century. Valencia received months of rain in just a few hours. Rivers overflowed and collapsed. Entire towns were submerged. The incessant rain during that hideous night turned streets into rivers, homes into ruins, and lives into memories. From Utiel to Paiporta, thousands of lives were turned upside down. Families lost everything. Businesses were swept away and schools were destroyed. Neighbors became heroes and offered shelter to the ones in need. Loads of volunteers from all over Spain went to help. A famous sentence came up during that process, El poble salva al poble, which is now an emblematic sign of Valencia.
En cuestión de segundos, el agua creció de tal manera que cuando quisimos salir del coche ya no podíamos. Me ayudó un vecino a salir, ya que el agua ya nos cubría por la cintura. Toda clase de cosas flotando, botellas, sillas, bombonas de gas, coches, que fue lo peor.
Over a month after the Dana, the situation for some communities is still challenging. Besides the help that has come to the city, the recovery process is long-term, and many people still need assistance. We are asking for your help. The funds we collect will be used to support a local school that was heavily affected by the storm.
Every contribution counts in restoring hope and stability to the students and their families.
Valencia needs your help and support. Help us turn tragedy into hope.
Donate what you can. Be the change you want to see in the world. Be a part of Valencia's recovery.
Together we rebuild.